This guide will help you install EAFC25 and troubleshoot server timeout issues. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth installation and connection process. Step 1. Check system requirements. Before installing the game, verify that your system meets the minimum requirements. Check the specifications for your operating system, processor, RAM, and graphics card to ensure compatibility. Step 2. Download the game. Visit the official EA website or your preferred gaming platform to download EAFC25. Choose the appropriate version for your system and follow the prompts to start the download process. Step 3. Install the game. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file and run it. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the game on your device. Make sure to select the correct installation directory if prompted. Step 4. Configure network settings. To avoid server timeout issues, check your network settings. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and that your firewall or antivirus is not blocking the game. You may need to add exceptions for the game in your security software. Step 5. Launch the game and test connection. After installation, launch EAFC25. If you encounter server timeout, try restarting your router or checking for any server maintenance announcements from EA. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to install EAFC25 and address any server timeout issues effectively. Enjoy your gaming experience.